Vertical takeoff coming right up.
Damn!
Hovering. Very stable, guys. Really flying smooth. Alright, vertical landing. Perfect, yeah! Hey guys, what's up? What's up? Yes, I'm going to teach you a simple helicopter mechanics. By the way, this is my Apache helicopter. I built this many years ago. Guys, these have wheels and you know, without a flight mechanics, helicopters are very unstable. Look at this. I'm not pressing anything, guys. It keeps moving. So this is actually gonna be a modified version of the first mechanics I uploaded. This is easy and simple jet mechanics that I first saw in LavaFlow's video. That video is actually a helicopter mechanics, guys, but a little bit more complicated. And what we gonna do here now is a simpler and easier version. And this one is mobile friendly too, okay? Let's start now.
NANI?!
Find the center of your build, place block on it, move the block, make sure there's a big space. It should not touch any part of the helicopter or other mechanic. Scale up to 10. Scale both sides one time with scale 2. With move 1, place hinge like this. And here 2, and here 2. Place block on the hinge, then scale one time. Same on the other hinge. You can use any jet turbines. Place jet turbine like this. Make sure it's not binded yet. Place another one here. And place jet turbine at the back like this. If you have enough jet turbines, clone the jet turbines. I use move 40 so that it's away from the helicopter. If you don't have enough jet turbines, move these turbines again with move 40. So make sure when you move this, there's a space, no other blocks. Place blocks at the back of the jet turbines. Then scale to connect them. Place seat at the center, save and reload. Now seat. Do the cake glitch and check anchor and collision of these blocks. Go to the waterfalls on the right spot like here. Then load the helicopter. Go back to base. Clone this seat with move 40 again. Sit on it. Check anchor of these blocks. Delete cake and the extra seat. Save and reload. Now we have 2 sets of jet turbines. Clone these 2 seats, use move 40 again, scale this block to connect to the other set. Save and reload. Now sit here. Do the cake glitch or duplication again. Let's go back to base. Ah! Oh no! Guys, careful on moving this, okay? Whoo! Now I am safe, yeah! Now sit here. Check anchor, delete cake and extra seat. Save and reload. By default, set jet force to red, but you might need to change it depending on your build. Delete seats. Now we have 4 sets of jet turbines. This is the minimum number of sets. Flying set, hover set, then the VTOL set. Delete these blocks. Rotate this set facing upwards. This for vertical takeoff. Rotate this set facing downwards. This for vertical landing. Now this for flying. With rotate 15, rotate 1 time or 2 times or 3 times if you want. But mine, I'll rotate 2 times. The flying set speed is the default, but you can make it slower if you want. The hover set, change speed to the slowest 5. Guys, you can have more sets of this. It's actually better because you can have different speeds like 50, 25, 100, and extra sets means extra fuel, of course. So to add more sets, just do the duplication again, okay? For VTOL set, change speed to 25 or 10. You can also have more VTOL set, guys. So now for the helicopter rotors, this is very basic because it's just wheels. Just make sure the wheels are not touching parts of the helicopter, only the blades. Space between the wheels and helicopter parts must be minimum of 1. Then bind the rotor wheels to a switch. And we're gonna use pilot's chair here. I'll just move it out so I can easily see it. For mobile users, simply use switch for each set of turbines. For PC users like me, it's up to you what key you want to use. For example, for the vertical takeoff, bind these 3 turbines and I use E for this. So same with the other sets, it's up to you what key you want. By the way, make sure to turn off collision of the jet turbines. With move 40, move them back to the mechanics. This one too. And these two, move them like this. Yes, make sure they don't touch any other blocks, okay? Place assemble piston. Make sure it's not binded yet, press piston. You can move the mechanics more to make it closer to your build. But again, make sure it doesn't touch any other blocks. As you can see here, piston overlaps with the switch. So I move mine here. Switch is free. Then I place block on top of the piston to make sure it's connected to the helicopter. Place a switch. This is for the assemble piston. Make the mechanics transparent and again make sure collision is off. I'll just move back the pilot seat and save. To test this, uncheck anchor. Press assemble switch. The mechanics is inside the Apache now. Press the rotor switch. Alright. Vertical takeoff. Yeah! Oh, it's glitch! It's glitching! Hovering! Now flying! Oh no! Oh, there's something wrong, guys! No! And it's glitchy! Guys, sorry, but the direction of this fly set is incorrect. It should be like this. So again, I rotated 2 times, but it's pointing upwards now. Alright, let's move this back. Again, make them transparent. It's getting assembled, see? Vertical takeoff coming right up. Hovering. Super smooth and stable, guys. Yeah. Can turn left and right. Let's fly. Oh yeah. It's too fast. This is the reason why I rotated the fly set. Because usually helicopters move like this, right? Nose pointing a little bit downwards. So it's more realistic. And look, very stable, guys. Really flying smooth. Let's try to land in Japan. Alright, vertical landing. Wow! Perfect, yeah! Let's go back to base. Smooth takeoff. Alright guys, I hope you learned something. By the way guys, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe now and click the notification bell. Please like and share the video. Thank you for watching guys. Bye-bye!